Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how to sign up for YouTube TV. To get started, head over to tv.youtube.com on board. I'll link this page in the video description for easy access. Once there, just write your zip code and click Next. You'll need to choose the Google account you want to use for your YouTube TV subscription. If you already see your Google account listed, you can select it. Otherwise, click on Use Another Account to enter your Google account details. After selecting or entering your Google account, you'll see an option to try a free preview. You can watch 20 minutes of YouTube TV with no commitment, which is a great way to explore the platform without starting a free trial. Before your 5-day free trial begins, you'll need to choose a plan. Since this is a free trial, $0 is due today, but you'll be charged once the trial ends if you don't cancel. If everything looks good, click Next to continue. On the next page, you can customize your plan by adding optional upgrades. You can click More to expand and see details about each add-on, and Show Less to collapse the view. Once you've made your selections, scroll to the bottom and click Next. At the checkout page, you'll see the date your billing will begin. If you decide YouTube TV isn't for you during the free trial, you can cancel before this date to avoid charges. Select your payment option, either Google Pay, credit card, or PayPal, and then click Start Membership to activate your trial. You'll then be prompted to choose your favorite channels or shows. This allows YouTube TV to automatically record them for you. You can scroll through and make your selections, or skip this step and add recordings later. Once finished, click Finish at the bottom. Now, your YouTube TV subscription is ready to use. To see a guide for channels, click on the Live tab. This gives you a traditional grid view showing what's on now and what's coming up, making it easy to choose what to watch. You can now enjoy YouTube TV on various devices, including smart TVs, Roku, Apple TV, Amazon Fire TV, and Google TV. If your smart TV doesn't already have the YouTube TV app, go to the App Store, download, and install it. Then, log in with your credentials, and you're good to go. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. If you found value in this tutorial, consider subscribing to the channel, and I'll see you next time.